Today we'll be setting up camp for 5 people using Hydroflow's Jeep JL Rubicon and an iKamper Skycamp 2.0 plus annex room that is mounted on a front runner roof rack. Room for 2 beds. Actually room for a 3rd bed. So 2 to 3 people down in the annex room. Plenty of space. Within the tent itself, there's room for about 3-4 people. Maybe even 3 adults, 2 kids. Ready for the ultimate snack? Alright, so you take some cheddar cheese, like so. Take a beef stick, take some Takis, like this, wrap them around, like this. Dump them in some bourbon. No, without the bourbon. But like this, ultimate snack.